Billy.
I'm Sierra, and this is our dog Jetty.
We usually live and travel on a boat, a few different boats in fact.
But now we are driving across the country as our new boat is being built.
Join us on this all-new Terra Tula adventure
as we drive, bike, hike, paddle, and sail across the good old USA.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Good morning. We woke up in this absolutely beautiful campground. Pull off, side of the road. Who knows? Nobody else is here. We didn't have to pay for it. It's super pretty. I gotta make some blueberry pancakes with all the blueberries we collected yesterday. How good does that look? Okay, the first one is done and it looks delicious. Do you want it now or all together?
All together with you. Wow, that looks amazing. Thank you so much.
You gotta taste it.
Oh, thank you.
I didn't mention, they're protein pancakes. We threw some protein powder in there.
Delicious.
This is where you say they're the best pancakes you've ever had.
These are probably the best pancakes I've ever had.
I shouldn't have had to tell him to say that. But the real question of the day is, are you the kind of person that syrups your pancakes before or after you cut them? What are you?
I usually do it before, but I think after makes more sense, actually.
I am definitely an after person because it allows the syrup to get in all the right places, if you know what I mean. Pretty tasty. After breakfast, we loaded up and headed to a place called Sault Ste. Marie, and we got to watch ships get locked through the Sioux locks. And what was even cooler is right on the other side of these locks is Canada. Okay, we are looking at a spot to stay for the night, and we found this one on iOverlander, but we are going through some itty-bitty roads with trees that we're like kind of running into. We really want to site it. They all look, oh, there's one. So we are currently in a national forest, and they're super primitive sites, no water, no electric, no any of that, but they are free. Looks pretty cool. Okay, so I just went walking around. I noticed that there are a bunch of spots right on the water. So we walked down and I just found an open one. So I'm going to stay. Billy went back to go get the truck and he's going to bring it down here. Hopefully he fits it through all of these super low hanging trees. But this will be our new spot. So I must admit, I think this is my favorite campground so far. We're in a national forest in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and it is completely free. The sites are pretty much all on the water, and we do not have anybody on either side of us, so it is just us and this gorgeous view of Lake Huron. We are inflating both boards right now because we are going to go paddle and explore this beautiful water. Billy went on a crazy mountain bike that he didn't film, but has it caused you to do some maintenance?
Just cleaning the chain a little bit.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Hey, are you ready?
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside?
Okay, we paddled across the entire length of the bay. We started way over there. We came all the way here. Got a little bit windy, but we made it.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are.
Tonight is barbecue night. We are going to be having corn on the cob, made in the oven, zucchini and summer squash on the stove, and barbecue pulled chicken. I can't speak. And Billy is on fire duty.
Going teepee fire tonight.
Tonight for dinner, barbecue pulled chicken, squash and mushrooms, Corn on the cob. Bon appetit.
Wow. This is amazing. How do you think of this?
Those are so cute. They're such good divers. Look at them go.
How adorable. Can I shower in the lake?
That is by far my favorite way to shower in the entire world.
In the lake?
Yeah, fresh water.
But aren't you
super
polluting
safe. No,
with your soaps and shampoos? Why not?
because they're biodegradable, all natural, plastic free. Safe to use, safe to go in your gray water, safe to shower in a lake.
Really, you bathed. You really bathed in the lake because no running water.
I bathed in a lake.